Okay, hey, hope everybody's doing well. I'm at a friend's house in Rio Doso, and the cabinets have these type of hinges. And typically, what happens is either when they're first putting them on, or I don't know, maybe they tighten them too tight, they strip the screw. Okay, I've already repaired four. Actually, I repaired this one here, and I think that one down there, you can see where I was drilling. And so the way you handle these is on this guy right here, the top screw was stripped there. So what you do is you take an 1/8 inch drill bit. Obviously you remove the door. These guys are good down here, that's why I left the screws in there. And then you drill it out, as far as it'll go. You don't have to go through the whole thing, but however deep the screw went in, that's about how deep you want to go. So then what you do is you take some wood glue, okay, and you can put it, what I did is I just put some wood glue on a plate, and I dabbed the end of the excuse me, the end of the dowel in the glue, and then I just stuck it in there a couple of times. I dab it in the glue. Let me move up. I dab it in the glue, stick the dowel in there, dab it in the glue, stick the dowel in there, and then, thinking I had enough glue, I'd leave it in there, and then you take your push-pull saw and flush cut it. Okay, push, pull saw and flush cut it. Leave it overnight, or a couple of hours, probably 5-6 hours. And then what you do is you come back, you place the door back on there, okay, minus this guy. And you take this centering jig, okay, and let me see if I can show you the drill. It's got that bit right in the middle, and it's got this chamfer right here. So when you go through it, it centers it to the hinge there, okay? And then of course, you can take either a drill like this to drill it in, or you can just drill it in by hand. Now, one of the things that I've done is, I don't know if you can see that paper in there. I've already done this one. So that's some stock paper, and I've tripled it so that you can hold the hinge. If you don't put it in there, if you don't put the paper in there, the hinge tends to go that way. And so you put it in there to kind of get it flush. And once you get it flush, you drill in whichever screws are still good. And then the other one, you center tap it, and then you put in the screw. And that's it. It's pretty straightforward. Okay, so I know I've done probably about 4 or 5 of them, at least this time around. Last time, a couple of years ago when I came, I did some of the cabinets up there. So also, you do need to check these guys in here. They do get stripped also. And you would do these the same way. 1/8 inch drill, the 1/8 inch dowel, glue, let it set, and then come back and center tap it, and then drill the screw. All right, so that's basically how you do that. It's pretty straightforward. All right, later. Okay, so I'm trying to show y'all how to get this paper. I just got this from, it's the cardboard, the backing of the little felt. It's a little box that sells you these round felts that go right here so it doesn't make noise. So I just took that and cut it up. Okay, and so see if I can do this with one hand here. So I'm pulling down, and then there we go, and put that in like that. Okay, so it just makes this flush. See if I can do this one. All right, there you go. Okay, and then once you do that, you hold up the door, screw in at least 2, or whichever ones are still good, and then center tap whichever one it is, and screw it in. All right, have a good one. Okay, so I've put the drawer in there, and I'm going to center tap it. Here's the center tap. All right, and now I'm going to change the bit and screw it in. All right, let me see if I can do this while still recording. Kind of hard. I need a third hand. All right, I'm putting the... All right, let's see. That's there. Need to get the other screw. It's over here. Grab it. All right, and you can start it right there. Kind of, there you go. I was taking a picture of my arm there. Or video of my arm. Okay, there it is. And I had this on the one right there. I don't know if you can see that. It's the lightest torque that this thing, I don't know what that's set to. Inch pounds or something. So here it is. All right. And now you open it up. And I'm going to remove those papers. There they go. And now, let's see if this'll, and there it is. Perfecto mundo. Works cool. And again, yeah, you do want to check these because these get loose also. The screws on the inside. These guys also get loose. All right, so that's how you fix that. All right, man. See you all in the next video.